Hey there, I am Sid, and in this video we will know about how to create a sequence. Here in this project I had imported some clips. The very first step to create a sequence is press Ctrl M, edit, OK. You can click here, come up here in this sequence, edit, OK. This is the second way. Let's talk about the third one. Third one, we can create a sequence by drag and drop the clip on the timeline. Here it is automatically created a sequence. Further, if we need to change the sequence setting, then click on the clip, go to sequence setting. Here we can change the sequence setting from here. Like we can change frame rate, okay, the frame size, the time code, etc. If you have any doubt, then comment down below. Thank you.